they are actually invaded by the spirit of ignominy. They are actually invaded by the spirit of skepticism. And I'm telling anybody that is saying Igbo man is not educated, Igbo man is not well endowed to come out from his, at least, slum. See, Samuel has ballooned, billowed popularity, fame of Biafra agitation to the sky roof. Many people in the Asian country, Europe, that have not heard of Biafra, they have heard it. Just these few days, Biafra has become a household name in the former USSR. All the former federatives that were comprised of the former USSR, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Slovenia, Moldavia, Russia, Chechnya, even former Yugoslavia, which is Croatia, and so Macedonia, Greece, everybody, they are now with Biafra. The whole world are beginning to look at that direction. What is it that Nnamdi Kanu was looking for when he was abducted, from Nairobi, Kenya? The most popular Igbo man on the earth today actually is very, very divine, very, very golden, so unique and special. That's why he was apprehended, kidnapped, and abducted at Nairobi, Kenya. Very into hellfire called Nigeria. Nigeria is a hellfire. Let me remove my glass. I'm not hiding from anybody. It's a hellfire because Igbo man has been down for many years. They don't want Igbo man to wake up and develop Nigeria. That's why Nigeria is hunger-stricken country. Everybody in Lagos, I know. When I came to Lagos, I can eat 40 naira. I will go home with 15 naira. I can eat in a restaurant with 40 naira, 15 naira has changed. That's 25 naira. Atolo, Atalem, Chipolu, Airport Hotel. Today, 2,000 naira cannot feed me. 4,000 naira cannot feed me today in Lagos. I married, I know how much I've been giving my wife since my marriage. When my marriage was like 1 year, I know how much. But still, as I come, my young darling, my wife, they have cooked okra. Okra, that's the English pronunciation, okra, with social amount, with turkey chicken. I will eat. Before my wife serve me the actual food. If you see me then, if not that God has created me with a flattened stomach, I would have gotten a protruded stomach because I eat late hour. After eating the normal concoction soup. If you see concoction soup in those days, it's the real soup now in Nigeria. Okay, Igbo man has done lots and lots for Nigeria. And today, we are seeing a Nigerian government that has been shuffling the political leadership of the country, Hausa, Yoruba, Fulani, Hausa, Yoruba, Fulani, until they gave it to Goodluck Jonathan, the man that claimed that his name was Azikiwe Ebele.
They say it was accidental.
It's accidental. Don't say that because I'll be annoyed with Jonathan now. Which accidental? He played along with them. That's why he could not mind the southern Nigeria. He could not mind the Bayelsa. He could not mind the River Niger, One Seaport, Akwa and Cross River State, Calabar Seaport. He was busy dancing, dining, whining with Almajeris. Almajeris, Hausa man with low mentality that doesn't have any thinking faculty. All the cerebral faculties in their brain are daft, disabled, incapacitated. They carry that brain sac. Cerebral sac is this material that is covering the brain. Cerebral sac. All departmental, cerebral departments. Your leg, your eyes, your thinking, your nose, your ear, everything is in the brain. What Hausa people are carrying is just empty one. Jonathan gave them education, built many houses. He called schools. They abandoned it. They took to their plates and the baskets, locally made baskets, begging, Babia Allah, from Sokoto to Kaduna, Babia Allah, Kaduna to Fontua, Babia Allah, Guzo, Sokoto, Babia Allah, to Adamawa State, Babia Allah, Babia to Taraba, Babia Allah, to Benue State, Babia Allah. Until they even invaded Lagos State, they are everywhere there. These are the kind of people that has been holding Nigeria hostage for many years, brainwashing all manners of northern youths, generation of youths in the northern Nigerian region has faded away with nothing, no education, no civilization, only Islamic alpha, Arabic ideology, Islamic alpha. That's why you people come to the world. Are you daft? Leave Islamic and alpha. Look at the other side. You will get what? Salvation. You will get what? Education. You will get what? Civilization. You will get what? You will turn your back on barbarism. Atheism is it. The Hausa land is atheism stricken, driven. They don't want to know. What they know is the era of the world, dark ages, until Renaissance came. The Renaissance we have in Africa is Biafra. The educator we have in Africa is Igbo man. The prince that is going to bring the light to the entire African continent is coming. The arrival, the heraldic is breaking of the sun from the southeastern horizon that announces the coming of a new day. If you look at the southeast, you will see the light coming. The land of the rising sun. Hausas are down because they allowed the Fulani hegemonists, the Islamist jihadists to invade them, communicated with them, brainwashed them, gave them their beautiful Fulani women. On the top of women, Hausa died. I pray there are so many lies against me. The Messiah has come. Who is that Messiah? Another Messiah, not Jesus. Jesus has come since. The another Messiah the Hausas has now is MNK, Nnamdi Kanu, that washed their brain off all those Islamic nonsense ideology that Fulani has deposited in their brain. Fulani, Nnamdi Kanu washed it off. That's why we become the #1 enemy of the Fulanis from Futajelo Highland, Senegambia. Today, I'm telling you, Nigeria will never forget in a haste that arrest, crisis, trouble brewing in Finland over the accusation of terrorist funding or sponsorship against Samuel Ekpa has shot, billowed the popularity of the Prince of Africa. Republic of Biafra. Igbos were on the top. See, let me tell you, you will never, ever be buried on that ignorance or fear that Simon Ekpa is gone. If he is gone, there are many, many millions of Simon Ekpas springing up in the other gender. I mean, women folk. There are billions of Simon Ekpa in the other gender, in his gender. I mean, men folk. Biafrans, Igbos are too much. People that are more powerful, more intelligent, they are there. Ekpa is not claiming to be the most renowned Igbo man on the basis of intellectualism. There are many intellectual animals we have in Igbo land that will take over from Ekpa and still do outrightly well. The stranger you know is better than your host you don't know. Samuel Ekpa, Nigeria has made the worst of the mistake by interfering with what the young man is doing. Today, Nigeria is an estranged Nigeria. Estranged, abandoned, marooned, distanced, secluded Nigeria is now living like a lion that is hungry, looking for who to devour. Yet there's no food to eat. That is Nigeria. While Samuel Ekpa is waxing strong. The Biafras waxing strong. Igbo land is waxing strong. How many of them actually traveled to Igbo land yesterday, Monday? Nobody. Go. No, go now. So Samuel Ekpa is down now by Mba and the Tinubu. But go to Igbo land on Monday now, where we say no movement. Go now, descend from Niger Bridge now. Go to Onitsha and see by yourself.
They are in control of their territory.
Yes. Am I the one? I'm an analyst. I dare here to tell you, say, on Monday, obey them until Nnamdi Kanu come. If Nnamdi Kanu is out, go to Igbo land on Monday, dance. drink, eat.
you know, who have
Nnamdi Kanu is still in. Don't go.
the next thing you
Igbo
see
man is
from
not
them
happy
is
that
when you are
Nnamdi
hoping
Kanu is down
you
at
become
all.
violent.
It's actually
So
played out
what is
yesterday. If
happening
care is
now
not taken
is
today,
not caused
Tuesday,
by anybody.
in various
It's caused
part
by
of
the system
southeastern
itself.
Nigeria, they're still
And
observing
until we
it.
begin to
If you
understand
come out
that the
today
violence happening in Nigeria
in Ebony
is
State, some
being
part of Abia,
generated by the
you go
Nigeria
collect.
system itself, we will never
They
be
won't
telling
kill
ourselves
you.
the truth.
Will you come out again?
How?
No, sir. Please forgive me. Nnamdi Kanu is an epitome, a monumental peacemaker, epitome of peace and
Well,
justice in Igbo
I don't
land.
care.
Releasing
You
him,
know, we are already
releasing
at war
security
in Biafra
in
side
entire
of
Igbo
Nigeria.
land.
There is
Holding
war
him,
going on there. And I
caging
don't know why
security,
medias are not covering it.
unleashing insecurity
Do you see
across
a
Igbo land.
democratic
Kanu
place where
must be free.
the
Okay,
people are deploying bombs
somebody
on
was
people?
saying that Bola
It's war.
Ahmed Tinubu is scared of the
Villages
northern
are getting burnt,
Nigeria.
houses are
That
getting
is
burnt.
why Nnamdi
Where
Kanu
even in
is
Ukraine,
still
for
there,
instance,
even though after Nnamdi Kanu
the number of
wanted,
people dying
as
in
I've
Biafra
said,
land
release me,
outnumber the people dying in
peace will
Ukraine.
come.
So
And
how do
the
you
federal
balance that?
government is saying they want peace.
And who
The
are doing this? The Nigeria
governors are
themselves,
saying
Nigeria
peace.
state.
And they are holding
You
peace.
know, when the military
Is
comes
it
to the
any
areas,
grand
instead of
plan
protecting the people,
to
they get angry
destabilize
because
the
they obey
eastern part
our
of the
orders.
country?
And then
No.
they start
You
burning
know
the
what?
villages.
Kanu
So
is coming
we don't want
out.
to continue like that. We want
Presumably
to have
on
the only
January,
solution to this
December,
is the
January, Kanu will be
disintegration of
out.
Nigeria. And if
At
Nigeria do
first,
not disintegrate now,
if 30
the
November,
disintegration later
December,
on will be very,
January,
very,
Kanu will be
very
out. And
chaotic. To be very
you
hard
cannot hold
before
an
international
epitome of
community
peace, a man that
in the if
symbolizes
they continue
justice
to
and
let
peace
us manage
in the
this and
southeast, and
force
we are
people into
asking for
election in
one.
Biafra land,
How could you
when
get
this time bomb
justice
is
and
going to
peace? And
explode,
we are
it
holding
will
the
affect
person
everyone.
illegally. You
Yeah.
can't get it. You can't get peace. Now they
Election
can
does not happen in
epitomizes
Biafra land.
peace, justice, humanity, benevolence, philanthropism
Not me.
in
Biafra have
Igbo land.
decided. I am telling
Is
you
an
the fact.
intellectual property,
There is nothing that
most
will not
costly,
just
costliest
people
one
to
we
get
have
out
in
of
Igbo
it.
land today.
This is a
So it
life
should be
and
free,
death matter.
so that
We have
it will
come a
get
long
to
way. For over
everybody
50
in
years,
Nigeria.
Nigeria have done all manner
Ikwere,
of genocide,
Urobo,
committed genocide against our people,
Yoruba,
kill us every
Elaje,
day, and
peace
you
will get
expect us
to
to allow them
everybody.
to continue to
Because
kill
when
us.
he comes
We
out,
elect
you will know
governors
your rights.
that will bring military
That's the
and,
man that will bring
and
to an end
militarize
police
our territory.
brutality.
We can't do that
It's the
again.
man that will bring to an end soldiers flooding all over the streets of
Nobody
Lagos,
will vote in
Abuja,
Biafra land. I am telling you
Kaduna,
the fact.
Abeokuta,
It will shock
disaliving
the world.
civilians.
We've
Kanu is
made up
bringing
our
it
mind and we
to
know
an
what
end. Ordinary,
we have on ground.
very dark
Nobody will
man
vote in Biafra land.
is making impact across Nigeria because he's a man of justice.
It is not,
Very dark man is
it
my
is not
friend.
undermining.
He will
No.
see where government
This
is
particular
opposing
civil
you.
disobedience
He
is
will
also
take
a
you.
democratic
He will
process.
arrest
And
you,
I want you
arrest
to
the
see it in
government
that
official,
perspective.
take them
When
to the
people say, I
lawmakers
don't
and say,
want
is this
Biafra,
what Nigerian
and if you
constitution
think
said?
that there are people
Did
who
Nigerian
want
constitution
to
say
vote
this?
that are
They
bigger
will
in
all
number, conduct a referendum.
prostrating,
As
apologizing.
simple as that.
Those are the
For
political
now,
leaders,
we've
rogues
controlled
that have
90%
seized
of
Nigerian
Biafra.
political terrain, atmosphere
90%.
for how many years now? Robbing, disaliving, demising women, men at ransom, at random. Yes, at random. Killing everybody because they are political leaders. Very dark man has gotten to them. If he catches you, he will take you to the courts.
Was Simon Ekpa underrated?
Someone was underrated, belittled, depreciated by federal government approach towards what he's doing, not actually knowing his value and virtue around the world. And today, Finland has turned to our Canaan land. Many people are visiting Finland to go and have a glance or a sight of the young, brightest Igbo man that has subjected the Nigerian barbaric country to this kind of level of at least suspense. Everywhere is kept suspense for how many years, how many days now, because Ekpa is at it, at war with Nigeria, and everybody is fearing the formidable force, Igbo man. He is with such formidable force that nobody in Nigeria has ever equaled before. A formidable force. A prime minister in exile that is commanding a whole Igbo nation. Igbo, that we can't tell what to do. You dare not tell Igbo man what to do. You don't ask Igbo man, how do you get your money? Who are you? Samuel Ekpa is doing it. All for the love of MNK, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Why are you telling me that Samuel is sponsoring terrorism? What about the 350 Nigerians, Muslims in UAE that were sponsoring terrorism? Their names were brought before Buhari administration for prosecution. How many of them were sent to the gallows? How many of them were taken to the court?
But the Finland says it's not linked to any terrorism.
It's not linked to any
That's
terrorism.
what the Finnish government is saying.
Finnish government has apologized before Simon Ekpa. We are going to do many programs on that apology.
Okay.
Apologetically. He has been what? Exonerated, set free. He has never been to court. It's only interrogation. Nigerian nation has celebrated because of the hate they have for Igbo man. He has never gone to court. He's gone back to his family. He went yesterday. He was going to his family, dancing. Nigeria hate Igbo. That is their doom for life. When I leave southwest, I will mind southeastern Nigeria. And I will enjoy myself because I will journey towards the axis of Cameroon and Gabon. Panya, Equatorial Guinea. I think my father went to Panya. We enjoy ourselves good day because we have Igbos from Panya to Ethiopia. Igbos are in Congo, Brazzaville, Congo, Mombasa, Sao Tome and Principe. Cameroon, Yaoundé, we are there. We have everywhere there. I don't know why they don't love me as an Igbo man. I live in Yoruba land. I love Yoruba. Good Yoruba, I love them all. I love their women. I see they joke with them. I go home, you go say, Efimile Jare, Omo Igbo. I'm happy with them. The Yoruba cannot come to my land, Anambra, and enjoy themselves. I don't know. We never beat anybody, we never kill anybody.
But the
no Yoruba man has ever entered my house. I left school, secondary school, went to Nsukka, 1989, March. I accepted Fashion Adekunle. He was selling wristwatch in our house. We bought land, we built in Nsukka. One story, bungalow, duplex, in that three plots. Fachanu slept with me, oh God, if I'm lying, please, you know me. That young man, I accommodated in my uncle's parlor. We slept together. Baba, did I collect money for food where he eat? No. Did I collect money for him for sleeping with me in our sitting room? No. Baba, did I know him from Adam? No. He introduced himself as a Yoruba. When he said Fachanu, I referred him to one of those Fachanu twins that were playing for Nigeria in those days. I said, are you the brother? He said, no. He said, it's from Oyo. I accommodated him. We slept. Daybreak, he bath. Bros, bath now, bath. Take your bath. This is me. Today, nobody can accommodate me here free. I will pay. They will say, go, you be Omoibo. Get away from my house. Get away. Get away. I remember all those things. I dey go away, sir. But when I remember what I did to that my Yoruba friend, I dey do like that. I dey hang my children. Because I'm a good man. I'm an Igbo man. Igbos are too good. See, the Republic of Biafra is going after Simon Ekpa predicament. Or let me say, condition. He found himself now. Biafra, clothes, white, black, blue, people will be wearing it on the streets of Lagos, everywhere in the world.
Sit-at-home signifies disengagement from anything that has to do with Nigeria. Igbos are continuing to embrace the Biafran ideology. What do you, in 1 minute, want to say about that? Just in 1 minute.
Yeah. There's a freedom country, freedom of speech, freedom of whatever you term it. Food, movement, enjoyment, marriage, intermarrying, freedom, liberalization of African man. In fact, the light that has embraced that continent called Africa, we're no longer that continent because Biafra has come to illuminate every nook and cranny of Africa. That's what sit-at-home observation enforcement signifies in Anambra, in Imo, in Enugu, in Ebonyi, in Abia, in Akwa Ibom, Cross River State, Delta and Bayelsa. That is what it signifies. Biafra has come. We're observing it everywhere. And all these coastal states I named, they are all the coastal states of Biafra. Freedom.
Thank you.